This video explains how to remove foliage from sugar beets in Farming Simulator 22. There are several ways to accomplish this, and the best method depends on your preference and the size of your farm. 1. The most common and efficient method is using a dedicated sugar beet harvester. These machines are designed specifically for sugar beets and are equipped with a foliage chopper as part of their functionality. Simply drive the harvester over your rows of sugar beets, and the machine will simultaneously harvest the beets and chop the leaves. This is highly efficient as it combines two steps into one. 2. If you don't own a sugar beet harvester yet or prefer a different approach, you can use a separate foliage remover, often called a topping machine or leaf cutter. These machines are designed specifically to remove the foliage, leaving the beets in the ground. You then need a separate harvesting machine to collect the beets afterwards. Using separate machines means 2 passes over the field, which is less time efficient but can be useful if you have limited funds or want to control the process more precisely. 3. Another option is using a standard header and a combine harvester, though this is generally less efficient for sugar beets. You'll need a header compatible with your combine and the beet type. Typically, a row crop header will work, but it might be more complicated to adjust and not as optimal as specialized equipment. The combine will harvest everything, but the leaves often end up getting baled or spread across the field. 4. Remember, after the foliage is removed, whether by a harvester or separate machine, you will still need to harvest the actual sugar beets. This requires a sugar beet harvester or a loader wagon with a sugar beet attachment if your harvester doesn't have this built in, to efficiently gather and store your harvest. 5. Finally, consider your field size and the time you're willing to invest. Large farms might benefit from investing in a dedicated sugar beet harvester for efficiency. Smaller farms might find that the 2-step process of a separate foliage remover and a harvester is just as effective, especially if budget is a concern. Choosing the right method depends entirely on your farming style and priorities within the game.